How to guard your Facebook profile. So to do this, you can use this app, which is the Moonakai Toolkit. Go ahead to your Play Store and just search for Moonakai Toolkit. I'm gonna go ahead and do it all over again and install the app and just go ahead and open. From here, go ahead and get started, choose your language, and you're gonna go ahead and log into your Facebook account. So it says not logged in for now, so we're gonna go ahead here into a profile, and once you're in profile, you have this account security option. You're just gonna go ahead and press on check now. So please log in to use this feature. This will help you log in, toggle these on, continue, and it will bring you to the Facebook login section. So choose the account you want to put this Facebook card on and just put in the credentials here and log in. Anyways, once logged in, you just go ahead and scroll down until you find this feature, which is Avatar Guard. Protect your profile photo. Just go ahead and press on this and enable Avatar Guard. So the shield only displays on mobile web versions of Facebook, and it prevents other users for saving or capturing your avatar. And it should toggle that on. Now, if your Facebook is already locked, then it's not gonna work, and this is only gonna work if your Facebook account is unlocked. So make sure it's not locked when you're doing this. But hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.